Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to design a simple greeting card using Photoshop. So click on File, New. Over here we have to specify the height and width of our greeting card. So let it be a rectangle greeting card. So let the width be 5 inches and let the height be 7 inches. Resolution, let it be 72. We don't want it to be very the clarity of the image depends on the resolution of your file. So 72 is good enough. So we can use white background for it and click on OK. So we have a rectangle sheet with us. First what we want to do is give a border to our greeting. So using Ctrl A, I'll select the entire sheet, or you can also make use of Marquee tool and then select the entire sheet like this. Okay. Now we want to increase the thickness of our border. So for that, click on select menu, modify border. So over here the thickness is 4 inches. It depends on you how much you want to give. I'll give it as 6 pixels. So 6 pixels are also very small. So I'll just go over there again and insert it as 10 pixels. Okay. So 10 pixels border is good enough. Just right click in between the two dotted lines. And then click on fill option. Under fill option, over here either if you want to fill some color in it or you want to fill some pattern in it. So there are many options which you like. Okay, so right now we will fill some simple color into it and maybe we will take a shade of red. And over here you can select under blending mode, you can select what type the color should be, whether it should be a solid color or whether it should be a blur color, diluted, lightened, color burn. So it depends on you, multiple. So you can decide which type of color you want and then click on OK. So like this we can just add a border to our greeting card. Multiple borders also can be added. So once our border is done, we will add a small image related to the birthday over here on top. So for that, click on File and open an image related to birthday and then just drag it on your greeting card. Just resize it and place it over here at the center on top. Okay. If you want it exactly at the center of the canvas, what you can do is just press Ctrl A and then make use of this command. So this will align it at the center horizontally. If you want vertically center, this option is there, but we don't want it at the center vertically, we want it on top only. So I'll just undo and let it be on top. Okay. So now what we have to do is add some text or a quote related to birthday or whatever you feel like writing for that person, you can write it over here. So first just let's write some quote. I'll just decrease the size. Hope this year is filled with lots of happiness, love and joy. Happy birthday. Have a great day. So a simple wordings I have included. Now I will select it completely because the font style, color and all is not looking that good. So over here the sub toolbar of text toolbar, we will go over here and there are multiple styles. So whichever style you like, you can select that style. Okay, then the size, if you want to increase or decrease, you can always select that. Center align it. Color, I'll choose the red border color so that it matches with the greeting. And if you wish to, you can change the shape of your text, like if you want it in arc shape like this, or if you want it in shell shape like this. So it depends on you how you want to shape your text. Right now I'll not shape it. And this is the extra toolbox available under text tool. So over here you can, the same tools which are there on top sub toolbar, along with that some additional tools, that is bold, italic. So along with this, if you want to subscript, superscript, underline, strike out, so all these extra options are there. So if you wish to, you can add them. You can also decide the space in between two lines. So over here that option will decide that. Now 30 is the size of your text. We will keep line difference as 36. So that is too less. So we will make it 48. So that looks fine. I'll using move toolbar, first I'll get it at the center, and then I'll go back to the text toolbar and I'll press and enter over here, so that there is a difference between the lettering and the wishing part. Okay. So after this, the basic formatting is over. If you wish to increase the height and the width of the text, this is the option to increase the height, and this is the option used to increase the width of your text. Right now we will not be applying that. So these are the basic things which can be applied for your text. Along with these, there are some extra blending options under layer panel. So if you wish to right click on this layer where your text is there, click on blending options, and over here you can give extra effects to it. So this will give an emboss effect to it. You can just go on clicking on the different options which are available over here. Stroke will give a black color border to it, which is highlighting the text too much, so I'll not include that. Inner glow is changing the color, so I'm not going to include it. So whichever options will look good for your text, only just tick mark on those colors, those options. Okay, so I think this is looking good. I'll just click on OK. So all those extra emboss effects will be added to your text. If you wish to increase the size only of one particular line, you can always do that. So select that text and increase the size of it. So this is how you can design your simple greeting card. Thank you for watching.